Hello and welcome to the machine. This is where we're going to make your new mobile app a reality. We've tried to keep the process as simple as possible, so here's a brief tour of the steps. You can choose to either build your app from a blank canvas or start with one of our many pre-made templates. Building an app for your taxi company? We'll add in pages about your fleet and a click to call for customers to book a cab. Run a restaurant? How about directions, your menu and reviews? Starting a coffee app? Try including your blog feed, special accounts and web links. You can make your app look exactly like you want by changing the background and splash screen images. Upload your own or choose from our millions of possible stock shots, textures and gradients. Once the app looks just like you want, proceed on to the next step to pick your publishing choices, including if you want to earn money with your app from ads, and whether or not you want to protect your users from possible hacker attacks. And then that's it. Instantly publish your app for free to the mobile web or choose one of our premium packages to get native Android and iPhone versions of the app. Throughout it all, you won't be alone. Remember that our app building coaches are available for you through free live chat around the clock. Have a question about anything? Just let us know. Good luck with your new mobile app. We can't wait to see what you create.